Hello friends, welcome to RenwilEducate channel. In this video, we will learn how to insert slicer and how to insert Win Loss Sparklines. We all know how to create table. I have a sample sales record. Here I have already designed a table which will help you to analyze. But in a normal scenario, if you want to create table when there is a group of data and if you want to format and if you want to create table, what we have to do, you have to keep the cursor anywhere in middle of that data, and you have to either you can go to insert and click table, or directly Ctrl plus T you can press, so you can get a table. And when you get the table, you can change the layout of the table. So if you come here, you can see there is some layouts where this is predefined layout. You can change this layout in different colors and different formats whichever you want. So this normally comes here in table features. Okay, and the another way of creating table is fire table. Now in this given this data, the recommended fire table will actually it's not showing recommended fire table. It will see I have selected this text, and if you see the recommended table, here recommended table is not showing. You can go to fire table and you can insert some fire table whichever you want. Okay, see, you can select the country, you can select the unit source. So how you want to analyze the data, accordingly you can create the fire table with this given example. Now the purpose of this video is to understand how to create slicer. So what I will do, I will keep the cursor anywhere in between of this table, then I'll go to insert and I'll go to slicer. So when you click the slicer, the first row of this table is selected as the fields. So I will select country and I will select the country as well as maybe the date, order date I can select. So when I select order date and country, two slices are selected here. Now when I click Bangladesh, only the Bangladesh data is displayed. If you want to go back to the full table, just click here and entire table will display. Similarly, you can select the data based on any date. For example, 23rd of April, so United Kingdom sales records are coming. So to go back, click the filter X field. So this way how you can insert a slicer in Excel, which will help you to select the data of that particular field, depends on whichever you want. Now the next important feature is, I'll just close this slicer to understand. Next feature is how to create Win Loss Sparklines. You can see in this example there is negative profit, that means loss. There is profit, there is loss. For Australia there is loss, there is Sri Lanka for loss, there is Spain for loss, and Romania is profit, Mexico is profit, UK is profit. Now Sparklines, Win Loss Sparklines is nothing but it will give a pictorial picture of profit and loss in a graphical manner. Example, in this example if you want to insert sparklines, go to insert and click Win Loss Sparklines. So the first one is here, choose the data that you want. So the data here I want is profit. So from C3 to N3 I selected. Then the next criteria is choose where you want the sparklines to be placed. Now where I want to place these sparklines, so I just want to place these sparklines in G4 to N4 and I will press OK. So when you press OK, these sparklines are created. I'll go back. There is, go to insert, win loss, select the data. This is the data. Next, location, right-click location here, click OK. See, this is the sparklines. Now the blue color represents profit, red color represents loss. You can change whichever style you want. Here maybe you can select this way, or whichever style you want you can select. Now if I change Spain loss into profit, immediately that win loss sparklines will be changed. So this way will help you to find out the profit or loss symbol or candle in a pictorial manner, which will help you to decide in a quick basis. Friends, in this short video, we learned how to insert slicer and win loss sparklines. If you have any comments with this video, kindly mention in the comment section below. If you like this video, kindly press like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends for watching this video.